1 minute. 1 minute, sir. Let me complete. Article 95, Article 96. You are quoting Rule 10.
95(2) क्या कहता है? ये पूरा पढ़े नहीं सर, पूरा मैं संविधान की बात करता हूँ, बड़े विद्वान हैं, बैरिस्टर हैं। ये
Last 7 years, you are not elected as deputy speaker. You created a constitutional vacuum.
Sir, my point of order satisfies Rule 376, subsection 1 and 2. What is that? It is, sir, 200A clearly says, before a motion can be listed, a determination has to be made. 1, resolution is specific in its charges, clearly expressed and free of imputation and defamatory statements. Now, who has made this determination? Because Article 96 clearly says that when a motion 96 clearly says Speaker cannot be over here. My question to the House is, who has made the determination? Because the Supreme Court in Nabam Rabia has clearly said that a Speaker against whom a notice of removal has been given cannot exercise adjudicatory powers in proceedings connected with that removal. So who has made this removal? The House should know. Secondly, sir, you come to Article 96(1). It governs what happens when a removal motion of Speaker is under consideration. Speaker cannot preside. What 96(1) says, then say that 95(2) shall apply to every such sitting. What is 95(2)? It lays down the hierarchy done by Baba Sahib. First Deputy Speaker, you don't have a Deputy Speaker. If the Deputy Speaker is also absent, such person has been determined by the rules of procedure of the House. Third, if no such person is present, such other person has been determined by the House. Sir, you are sitting over there. I challenge it also. Why? Because you read Nabam Rabia, Constitution Bench case. Once a notice of removal has been given against a Speaker, the Speaker cannot exercise adjudicatory or discretionary powers that have a bearing on those proceedings. That is these proceedings. The Speaker has a direct personal interest in the outcome, and that interest disqualifies him from acts that shape these proceedings. You take the judgment of Quixote Holohan. Supreme Court reinforced that constitutional functionaries exercise adjudicative function must observe natural justice. You have been appointed by the Speaker. I am of the opinion that you cannot sit over there and take up these proceedings. The House sense should be taken. You have majority. The House sense. One minute, sir. 1 minute. 1 minute, sir. Let me complete. Article 95, Article 96. You are quoting Rule 10. Rule 10 cannot overtake the article of the Constitution, sir. So that is why this government has created a constitutional mess. Let me complete, sir. Please. Let me complete, sir. In the last three, no confidence, the Deputy Speaker. That is why I say, first, the proceedings are constitutionally irregular.
I got it. Your point.
No. Let me complete. Let me complete. Sir.
सर,
आप कृपया सुन लीजिए.
सर,
I have gone through
Chairman, sir.
I have gone through Article 94, 95,
Chairman, sir.
and I have
Chairman,
already
sir.
seen power of the Deputy Speaker or other person
Chairman,
to
sir.
perform the duties of the office or to act as a speaker. If you'll go through, I think so. Your answer is completely. Nisikant Dubey.
बड़े विद्वान आदमी हैं सर ओवैसी साहब. 95(2) क्या कहता है? ये पूरा पढ़े नहीं सर, पूरा मैं संविधान की बात करता हूं, बड़े विद्वान हैं, बैरिस्टर हैं. ये कह रहे हैं सर कि पीपुल द डिप्टी स्पीकर if he has also absent, such person as may be determined by the rules of procedure of the house. Rules of the procedure of the house ये है सर, जो ये 10 कह रहा है. 10 ये कह रहा है कि जो भी उस चेयर पर बैठेगा, जो हाउस ने पहले से डिसाइड कर रखा है, उसके पास स्पीकर का उतना ही अधिकार है. यही आर्टिकल 95(2) कह रहा है सर.
संसदीय कार्य मंत्री जी.
मैं मानता हूं कि
आप आपको पुकार लिया, आपको
ये मेरा मतलब से जो पॉइंट उठाया गया है, मैं जिसका रूलिंग ऑलरेडी चेयर ने दे चुके हैं.
95(2) का तो रूलिंग आपने दे चुके हैं। रूलिंग देने के बाद भी फिर उसी पॉइंट को फिर से माननीय ओवैसी जी ने उठाया। मैं समझता हूँ ये उचित नहीं है, क्योंकि व्यवस्था जो बनाए रखा है हमारा सदस्य निशिकांत दुबे जी ने जो बताया उसका तो रूलिंग आपने दे चुके हैं। अब ये रूलिंग देने के बाद, इस रूलिंग देने के बाद जो डिप्टी स्पीकर हो या मेंबर ऑफ जो पैनल ऑफ चेयरमैन का अथॉरिटी ऑलरेडी वेल डिस्क्राइब्ड है। मैं समझता हूं कि ये आवश्यकता नहीं था ये पॉइंट उठाने का, इसलिए जो रेजुलेशन यहां लाया गया है उस पर हम लोग का चर्चा शुरू हो जाना चाहिए।
केसी वेणुगोपाल जी।
Very pertinent point relating to the constitution is raised here. When a removal of speaker's motion is taken up, it is very clear in Article 96, speaker cannot sit in the chair. The actions of the speaker also cannot be admitted by that point of time. You are appointed by the speaker of the Lok Sabha. You are sitting there as the panel of chairman appointed by the speaker of the Lok Sabha. Here, this is not at our fault. Last 7 years, around 7 years, the government is not ready to appoint the deputy speaker itself. That is very big. Sir, 93. Sir, Article 93. The House of the People shall, as soon as may be, choose 2 members of the House to be respectively Speaker and Deputy Speaker thereof, and so office of the House of the Speaker or Deputy Speaker become vacant. Sir, this is the situation, sir. Immediately after the election, Speaker and Deputy Speaker to be elected. Last 7 years, you are not elected a Deputy Speaker. You created a constitutional vacuum. You created a constitutional vacuum, sir. Sir, who will win that? Therefore, this question is very clear. Article 96 is very clear. Therefore, the House has to, sir, my submission is that the House has to select a person to sit in the chair. Sir, then they can conduct.
आप बैठ जाइए।